Welcome to Melanie series with Nzetobo Osigwe Ezikolomo. Dalo. Now, 4 places to channel your energy as an Igbo traditionalist, as only ordinary Igbo, as an Igbo conservative. It is my intention for you, my viewers and fellow Igbo traditionalists. It's my intention for you not to dissipate your energy this year. This is why I want to share with you 4 core areas you need to concentrate your energy so that we will have little disappointment. Nambwede. Our people will say, Owambwede kamma. I want to use this as an example. Energy is like this bottle. If we're born, most times people think that their energy is limitless. It's a lie. Your energy is limited. Your abilities and capabilities are limited, like the content of this bottle. I want you to understand this. Your powers, your energies, your resources, your kindness, your love, it is limited. We should stop thinking that it's limitless. You can do anything. It's a lie. You cannot do everything. You cannot do everything. Your energy is limited. So I'm trying to teach you the way how you can conserve your energy. How you can conserve your energy and channel it to good use. What is mbwede? Mbwede is when this, assuming no maya juleju, when boy yellow no at the end, by then you do not have a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of abilities. Okay. Gentle Mike Ejaga, we must plan for the evening of our life. We must plan it. We must plan our life. We should not live life anyhow. Socrates, the Greek philosopher, was saying, an unexamined life is not worth living. An unexamined life is not worth living. We must plan our life. Say many if you are not an ofike. You must plan your life. So, and the best time to start this preparation is today. And the places to cover and focus our energy is what I want to share with us. Number 1, your personal space. Your personal space. What do I mean by personal space? Yourself. Yourself is the first person to always look out for in this life. Make no mistake about this. I told someone the other day that you must learn to be selfish in order to be selfless. The person was, what are you trying to say? People do not know this. You must be selfish in order to be selfless. You cannot be selfless without being selfish. It takes a truly selfish person to be truly selfless. You must be able to take care of yourself before you should be able to take care of other people. Remember, I'm saying this as a young person. As a young person. You must learn to be what? Selfless. Forget all these teachings that they use to confuse you people. Trying to tell you about being selfless and all. Is a lie. Most times when people who are saying those things, look it. It's their own business they want you to be selfless in. Is in their own business. That selfless is benefiting their own selfish interest. We need to wisen up. We need to wisen up. You must look out yourself first in order to be able to look out for others that matters to you. Your life is nature's greatest gift to you. Keeping it and enriching it and taking care of it is your primary responsibilities. Nobody can take yourself better than yourself. Any person that does not value you or threatens your life should be seen as an enemy and should be kept at an arm's length. True love must start and end with you loving yourself. Loving your life enough to keep it from what? Harm. You need to be alive in order to build a legacy for yourself. I keep telling people, this life is survival of the fittest. This life is survival of the fittest, and it's only the strong, only the fit will survive. Stop focusing your youthful energy, not taking care of yourself or taking care of other people. Save yourself first. Once you save yourself, then you can be able to look for people that you want, the right people that needs your energy. Remember, I said that energy is not limitless. Energy is not limitless. Number 2, space to focus your energy on. Your family. Family space. Our people will say what? Ozu sikali isi. Oyeka oyana. Ozu sikali isi. Oyeka oyana. It's only in a moment of crisis. That's why at times, once in a while, it's good for you to have crisis or other people so that you will notice it. People focus their energy on friends. I'm sorry to say it. You'll be disappointed. When time comes, the friend will go. It's your family that will remain. It's your family that you remain. Anything that will make you to turn your back from your family, be careful. Examine it. I say examine it and re-examine it. Examine it and re-examine it. Family is very, very important. Friends will always disappear once there is great crisis and tribulation. But family will ever be present because they have no choice. They have no choice but to be present. Whether they like you or not, they have no choice. Regrettably, many people place friends above their family. However, if you are married and have children, you should know that your immediate family is now your priority. If you are unmarried, your family means your parents first. Your parents first, then your siblings. These people will always be there when push comes to shove. So you must invest your time, your resources, your energy towards your family's safety, well-being, and upliftment. Once your next point of call that you should not play with after yourself is your family. Focus your energy. If you have money, once you start making money, if your family house needs renovation, go and renovate it. Don't go and be renovating your girlfriend's family. Everybody has those is for. Not the one that is your own. Your family's burden is your own burden. If you're married and you have wife and children, your immediate family as an African, if you have wife and children, your immediate family. If you have only wife, you don't have any child yet, no children yet, your family is still your big responsibility. I don't want to use primary responsibility now because also work people. But you should know that Africa, we are great on family ties. Marriage is not friendship for us. It's about family, it's about children. Number 3, workspace. Your work is your means of livelihood and should never be taken for granted. A man without money has no voice and will command little or no respect. Do not joke with your workspace. Focus your energy. After yourself, your family, the next is your workspace. Don't joke with it. Anybody that jokes with your workplace is not a friend, is an enemy. If it's you that you are joking with it, you are an enemy to yourself. It is from your workspace that you will get the material resources to take care of yourself and your family. So don't ever joke with your work. This does not mean you should place your work above your personal and family well-being. No. Money is good, no doubt, but yourself and your family comes before it. No work or money should be made at the expense of your personal and family well-being. People make money at the expense of their personal well-being. Don't do that. People make money at the expense of their family well-being. Surprisingly, these days, people make money at the expense of their own personal well-being and family well-being. A father will leave his or her responsibility at home and leave the training of the children for the wife or for the house help. Or women will leave the training of their children for their house help or even for their husband. It's wrong. If you are not ready for family life, then please leave it. Some people, even at the expense of their own health. Make money at the expense of their own health. No time to calm down and take care of themselves. Some even, they work to the extent that they find it, they will not have time to eat. To even enjoy that money. So your workspace should be given time and attention it deserves. However, the time and attention should not exceed its normal due course. Lastly, your community. Your community. Your community is where you'll be buried. A true traditionalist is a product of a lineage. A true traditionalist is a product of what? A lineage. Therefore, you must strive to uplift your lineage. You must strive to uplift your lineage. This is done by contributing your time and resources towards the development of what? Your community. Yeah, that if in your community. Yeah, that if ABC webpota. Remember, this teaching is for Igbo traditionalists. Please, it's for Igbo traditionalists. It's not for everybody. It's only ezigbo onye Igbo ada atọ na mba. Aye ebunata ebe nne. So ben nagafa aye ebunata yo, you must strive to develop it. No buru ebunata yo, or when you come back, the place will be a mess. Ị na-enweta ife na-ata ndị ba ese go na akụlu unu okwu ebe osi. A true traditionalist must work to be counted as a man of honor amongst his community. When they are akwụkwọ je na community go je kwụọ ụgwọ afọ. Onwe ile aye dozi ile obodo. Honor ọkụ, bring light to your community. Bring development to your community, to your own lineage, not to outsiders first. I don't care where you are. Where you are making the money is outside your community. Please, once you make that money from that place, if you are paying tax, pay tax there. But the main development should go to where you will be buried. Where you will be buried. The development of your community, of your lineage is for you. The poor people in your lineage are for you to help them alleviate their poverty. If your success is not to promote your community, where you will be buried, then your success is a waste. The greatest honor for an Igbo traditionalist is to be a worthy son and true representative, a true ambassador of his community. In the Bible, say no mmadụ ka eji ama obodo. In the Bible, say no mmadụ ka eji ama obodo. Mmadụ ka eji ama ebe o si. It is your job, ekwanite ABC. Your job, ekwanite ABC. So, I repeat, 4 places to channel your energy as an Igbo traditionalist. Don't ever joke with this. Your personal space, that means your life. Your family, your immediate family. If you are married, your immediate family. If you are not married, your parents, your siblings. Then the third one, your workspace. Ebe na arụ ọrụ, ABC enweta agali ofu. ABC enweta agali ofu. Don't ever play with it. The fourth one, your community, your lineage, you're a product of your lineage. It is your job, your opportunity, it's not your responsibility to lift and develop your lineage. Thank you. If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please follow, like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.